What's going on YouTube? This is A5 Crypto, here to give you guys a little update on the crypto markets. Right now I'm just kind of looking at a couple of coins, not too many, just a few that I like based off of the price action structure. First, let's go ahead and start off with Bitcoin. Past couple days we had a kind of a sell-off here back into the demand area of around 62k. Still holding above this previous high back in April, and just kind of tapping this little region again. Had a nice little candle close here on the 4-hour time frame, right above this demand area. What I'm looking for now, possibly another dip. Maybe shoot above this. It's here. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I would like. Will I get it? Probably not. But this is what I'm playing. That's what I'm looking at. Okay. If it breaks below this trend line, things could easily go south, my friends. So have your stops in place and just prepare for both scenarios. Don't always be too bullish. Ultimately, bull. Also consider the downside, so that way you can kind of get better entries, and then yeah, live to trade another day is the motto. Anyways, not financial advice, but you guys understand what I'm talking about. All right. So that's kind of what I'm looking for in Bitcoin. I will reassess if it breaks this trend line, and then just kind of play it level by level here. But for now, I'm looking for upside. The next pair I'm looking at is Ethereum. It's been having this kind of weird structure for the past couple days. Vertical accumulation. They call it the stairway to heaven. So ideally, I mean, in a bear market, usually when this occurs, you kind of take the elevator down. That's what I've noticed in a bear market, where it breaks down here. We might have that here, maybe like a little dip here. But in a bull market, what I've noticed is any kind of ascent. If you notice it, look at right here. Check out these fractals. We kind of had this verticals. What do? Tap that and shot up. You can see something like this happening. Very similar, no? Kind of? Or am I crazy? Anyways, I'm gonna play it. So what I'm thinking is probably we'll break above here. Boom. And then maybe retest it and then keep going. Form like one of these again. The reason why I say that is because if you look at the Bitcoin pairing, beautiful. Weekly. Rounded bottom, forming a flag, shoot up. Boom. That's my target there, 0.11 ish, around there. If we hold, accumulate, go further up. Okay, that would look nice. Will I get it? I don't know, we'll see. But that's what I'm looking for. All right, next up. Let's go to Litecoin. Litecoin had a huge move this past week. I don't know what the news is. Could care less. But the price action looks great. We hit as high as 300, of course, a logical number to kind of take profits. The market's kind of funny in that way. Forming a little down flag here. Boom. 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 That's what I'm looking for. for here. And ideally, my target will be 355, just because of this previous high here. And it could just, we'll see. But that's kind of like my next target for the upside. Is 355. Why do I like Litecoin? Well, let's look at the Bitcoin pairing. Long term. Look at the weekly. Downward price action. Seen this plenty of times. Been in this game since 2017. Nothing new, friends. Nothing new. Okay. Already bouncing here. Look at here. If you do RSI, I don't really like to depend too much on these, but you can't deny the amount of strength being built up here in the divergence. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't, but in this case, you can't deny it, right? Like we're creating higher lows here. And once again, I guess a 60, we're gonna shoot up, in my opinion. Kind of correlating up here, building up higher. Might be worth it. Okay. And let's see. Last, okay. HBAR. Beautiful. Beautiful higher low. The daily is closing up very nicely over this demand here. Okay. This is why I like this one over this little candle here. I like it. I like it. Huge break here. Boom, break above that. Dipped again to kind of shake people out and their stops. And boom, tapped here. Let's look at the 4-hour. Yep. Creating another. If we could hold above here on this time frame, that would look beautiful. Yeah, we can see this go up here, bounce back down, retest, of course. Boom, boom, boom. It's gonna be a grind up, but I mean, you can't deny this. Look at this. And I posted this on my Twitter as well. Nice highs, high lows. Yeah, this is kind of odd, huh? What's up with that? Here we had no interest, right? Kind of accumulating here, but now we have major volume. That is just crazy. Like Squid Games. Triangle, square, rectangle, sure. But yeah, could see a big move soon. That's the USD pair. Let's look at the Bitcoin pairing. Long term here. Look at this. Look at that. Holding this huge support. Tapped it. Creating highs. This is Bitcoin pairing. Look at that. Above this, holding above that. Now it's above that. This would be a nice little move up. Overall target for HBAR 3,566 satoshis, and ideally, if Bitcoin is 100k, could probably go higher, to be honest. But first target for me, last target at least, $3.55 if Bitcoin is at 100k. So we'll see how that goes. But I like to have a plan and kind of try to stick with it. Okay. Those are pretty much all that I'm looking at. I have a couple that I'm just kind of eyeballing here. Yeah, XRP looks okay, but I don't like the idea of the SEC just kind of involved in manipulating that kind of play. XLM looks very interesting. I'll continue to monitor that. We'll see. We'll see. But yeah, for now, those are my only plays that I'm looking at. Don't like to look at too many noise. Stick to a couple and play the levels. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and HBAR. Okay. All right. Appreciate you guys just joining in. Go ahead and like the video, subscribe to our channel. We're still trying to get to 100 subscribers. Once we get there, we're giving away a free VV NFT, Steve Rogers. So check that out and leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think on what you see. Are you thinking we're just gonna go south or we're gonna go up only? Let me know. Would love to hear it. All right, appreciate y'all and hope you guys have a great weekend and stay safe out there. And once again, we all gonna make it.